connect a little bit.
It's a three-piece something, right?
Oh, there it is. Right here, baby. So the three-piece chicken, these are all of our signature plates. You get 2 sides and a piece of corn with each meal. We also have a combination plate. So chicken and pulled pork, chicken and rib, or you get ribs and pork if you like. Yeah, all comes with sides and cornbread. Our chicken pan fried, braised, and then simmered in our homemade gravy.
Okay, so it's not.
Large size, which is 16, and you get 6 pieces of cornbread. Would you like to do that? I mean, I feel like that would save a little bit.
Yeah, let's. Right? Is that
Sure.
Yeah.
Can we split those squeeze legs?
Yes, let me make sure that we have enough.
Okay, thanks.
Let's get a small.
A leg, a thigh, a wing, and a breast.
Okay, 1 piece of each?
Yeah. And 2 biscuits.
No problem.
And you want a lemonade, right?
Yeah, 1 lemonade.
And a lemonade.
No. 1 lemonade and 2 cornbreads. Yes. So thigh, breast, wing, leg, 1 limeade, and 2 cornbreads? Yeah. Will that be cash or card?
Card.
You can enter your card whenever you're. Thank you. Oh, yeah. And you're more than welcome.
Thank you.
Okay, thank
You too.
So much.
No problem.
Please, hello. My name is Stephanie.
Okay, so we just ate from.
Charles Pan fried chicken.
All right, so for me, the chicken was too oily, too greasy. It was just too much, right? I had the breast and the wing. The breast was just filled with oil. It was just too much. So I'm gonna bring it home and put it in the air fryer. How do you feel?
I had the leg. Was it the? Yeah, I had the leg and the thigh. It was pretty good. The flavoring was there. It was juicy. It wasn't too oily. Mine wasn't too oily. It was nice and juicy. Their homemade barbecue sauce and I don't know if the hot sauce was homemade, but those sauces was good too.
Yes, the barbecue sauce, really, really good. I love the barbecue sauce.
Yeah. So overall, out of 10, I would give it like a 8.5, 9. Honestly, it was really, to me, it was really good. I'd definitely come back. I didn't try it none of their sides yet. So.
All right. Oh, sorry.
No, that's it. I'm good.
Okay. All right. So thanks for watching.
Charles Pan fried chicken